Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see all the new videos and the ones I've posted before. And then if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad you're tuning in. So I went a little crazy. Everyone had a sale, a beauty sale, and I felt like I needed to participate in from, each place because it's just something about a sale that I feel like I can't just give it up. I have to get something. I guess I have FOMO a lot, and retail therapy is a thing for me. It literally is my therapy. So I probably should work on that. But anyway, we're talking about Sephora today and the goodies that I got during the VIP sale. I'm gonna start with skincare. The first thing that I got was this, I don't even know how to pronounce this Lynott Lip Mask. Oh my goodness, I have been using this, and some of the stuff is out of the box because I've been using it, but I've been using this sleeping mask as part of my skincare routine, and I love it. I noticeably see a difference in the texture and hydration of my lips, and so I'm so glad that I decided to purchase this. And it smells like cherry. It reminds me of the lip glosses or chapsticks we used to use as kids. It smells so nice. So if you're thinking about purchasing this, or if you're interested in it, please do get this. Next, I have this Kiehl's Night Recovery Concentrate. Honestly, I purchased this oil because I thought this was a serum. It is a serum, but it's more of an essential oil versus the serum that I was looking for as part of my skincare. But I've been using this at night and I really like it. I haven't noticed any breakouts or anything from the oils because you don't know that, but my skin can be sensitive sometimes, and I'll immediately know if a skin product or any type skin product doesn't work for me. I'll know immediately, and I haven't had that with this. So I was a little scared to use it because it is an oil, but I actually like it. And I do notice that when I wake up in the morning, my skin is a little more hydrated looking and refreshed. And so I'm just reading the description on the bottle. It says it's to visibly restore the appearance of skin by morning. So I do notice that difference. So if you're considering, or if you're into essential oils and stuff, I definitely suggest this. So the next item I got was this sugar face polish. It's a natural exfoliant is what it's described as, with raw strawberry seeds, refines and nourishes the skin. I have this bottle, first of all, is a pretty penny, but I've been using it. It says that you can use it, I think 3 to 4 times. Yeah, 3 to 4 times a week. I usually do my deep skincare twice a week because my skin isn't too problematic, so I can just do a daily cleanser and then I exfoliate maybe twice a week. And I've been using this as the exfoliator and I love it. As I said, I haven't had any bad reactions from the product, and it hasn't irritated my skin and broken me out or anything. So I really like this. And then it feels really nice on my skin as I'm exfoliating, because before I knew, don't beat me up about this, I was using the St. Ives last year, years ago, and I realized that that wasn't right for our skin. And really no one's skin is rough enough to use that, especially on the face. So I was confirmed. I think I had a facial last year sometime. My esthetician told me that don't use it at all. So I had already stopped, and she just confirmed that nobody should be using that on their face. But this is a really good exfoliator. So the next skincare product that I got, which is more an all-over product, is gonna be this L'Occitane Milk Concentrate Body Cream. Now, let me say, I am a person who likes to get out the shower and get into the bed feeling as though I just got out the shower. I don't like lotions on. I don't like to put on deodorant after the shower, because I'm already clean. I feel if I sleep with that type of oil or lotion on me, I'll feel sticky. So I don't like to put anything on my body after I get out the shower. But My mama put me on to this body cream, and ever since she told me about it, like, I love it. It's a body cream, which obviously there's a difference between a body cream and a lotion. This body cream absorbs in the skin and makes it feel so soft, like baby soft, and it doesn't get greasy. There's no like lotion feel to it. So once you put it on, it literally absorbs in your skin and feels so smooth and so nice, and I still can go to sleep and feel like I just got out the shower. It smells like a powder, like a baby powder. This was a well worth it purchase for me. Now moving on to makeup products. The first things I'll talk about are these two brushes that I bought. Now I believe these are Sephora brushes. These are their pro brushes, but I think they were maybe discontinuing them because they were on sale, and I don't really know why I thought they were discontinuing them, but I could be completely wrong. However, I really like these two brushes. Well, this one, I haven't used this one. This one is the number 90 complexion brush. I usually use this one to put on foundation, or I have been using it to put on foundation, and it literally feels so nice on the skin. The bristles on the brush or the hairs on the brush are so soft, and it makes that, like, if you've seen my other videos, you know that I like to use like a powder brush to put liquid foundation on, because I feel like it gives it a nice airbrush look, and this brush does that. This brush is the Sephora number 74 small, they call it a small blush brush, but honestly I would use this brush as like a contour, just to like if I had a cream contour that I wanted to blend out, I would just go in this area with this brush, because it's small, it's round, and it's not gonna widen if I, you know, put too much pressure on it. Now for blush, I usually like to use like an angled contour brush. Let me see. So I usually like to use a brush similar to this to put on blush, because I like to kind of like do it like this and it's already in that angle. Or I'll use a larger powder brush, because I don't really like my blush and contour to be super neat. I kind of like it to blend all kind of together without it being muddy. Like, you don't want mud. You want a nice blend, so I kind of like to use something like this. The next product that I got was this Tatcha Silk Cream. It is a primer. I'm kind of late on the bandwagon with this one, but I got it in this mini size because I like to get stuff in the mini now and then try it, see if I like it, and then I'll go purchase the larger ones, because I noticed that I would get the regular size of a lot of products and it wouldn't work for me. So I ended up having to take it back, or, you know, figure out what to do with it. And I was like, I don't want to waste product like that. So let me just try the samples, and then if they have a mini size or a sample size, and then I'll go back and get it. I didn't know if the hype was worth it for this product, because I don't know, it's something about hype products that just kind of scare me away, because I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's not as genuine or something. I don't know, but I've really been liking this. I do notice that, I don't know if it was just what I paired it with, but I used it today and it looks nice. But as I was putting on my primer, I kind of got like a residue, like it was peeling off or something. And I used it with the Saint Laurent Blur primer, which that could have been my own misuse of the product, because I'm looking at it and it says a filter finish. So they probably are similar products. And so doubling up on them, it's a no-go. But I used it before, didn't have any problems with it. Then I got this NARS bronzer, Samoa Matte. I used this today, and I've been using this product ever since I got it, and I really love it. It's not super rich in color, but against lighter complexions, it's perfect. Let me see if I can swatch it on the back of my hand. I am wearing it today, if you can see, but sometimes lighting can throw things. Don't quote me on this, but I think there may be about 6 shades to this bronzer. I know they have one with shimmer in it, which I thought I got, but maybe I obviously didn't, because I don't have it here. But I'm gonna go back and try those too, because they looked really nice, and I saw a few that I can use on my clients that are in deeper skin tones. So if you're thinking about trying this is worth it. So I got another NARS product. I got the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Custard. I don't know if I'm just, you know, out of tune with a lot of stuff. But I don't see a lot of people talking about it, especially in comparison to the Radiant Creamy Concealer, which is bomb. I love it. I swear by it. But this concealer doesn't get enough like attention. Like, I feel like this is really an underrated product, or maybe I just don't see it enough. But I used it today, and you can definitely see that soft matte, like airbrushed kind of look when you apply the product. So whatever technology they use to get this product like this, it actually works. So the next products, I got quite a few of them. I got the new Fenty bronzers and blushes. I got the bronzers in chocolate and teddy, and then the blushes I got in summertime wine, rose latte, what's this one? Fuego Flush, and strawberry dip. I'm gonna do a separate video of me like going in depth details about these products. I have not used these. These are the only products I haven't used, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them right now so you can see it. This is the packaging of the bronzer. I'm gonna swatch the one in chocolate. And let's see, I think this is the darker of the two shades. Yes, it is. This is the product. This is a swatch of chocolate. It looks a little bit lighter on camera because of my lights. Just a little bit lighter, but it's pretty deep. You know, like picking colors online can be so tricky because it looks one way and then you get it, it's another one. Like, these are shades that are right beside each other, but there's a noticeable difference between them. Let's see. So this is the two colors. The chocolate is on the bottom, and then teddy is on top. I'm definitely gonna add chocolate to my kit because it's a little bit too rich for my complexion. So now I'm gonna swatch the blushes. So the first one is gonna be Fuego Flush. It's this really nice orange shade. It's super pretty, and I feel like this would look good over my tan deep clients. Like, it would look so pretty. They feel like butter. The next one I'm gonna swatch is Strawberry Dip. It's this really like pinkish, reddish color, red coral color. I don't really know how to describe it. So that's gonna be Strawberry Dip. I'm not really crazy about blush though, so there's that. The next one I got was Summertime Wine. This was another one I was excited about, especially for my deeper complexion clients and to try on myself a little bit. So this one is Summertime Wine. We have Rosé Latte. It's this nice, soft brown look. It's so rich and luxurious looking to me. I think it'll be a little too deep for me as blush, but it looks nice against the skin. And that's it at the top. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I have been using these products with the exception of the Fenty ones, but the ones that I do have, I'm glad that I purchased them. I recommend them if you're thinking about getting them or you need something similar to that, get it. If you like this video, or if you didn't like this video, still thumbs it up because what's it gonna do to you? Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share it. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers and I'm so excited. I'm so thankful for all of you who are subscribed and tune in to me every week. It really, really, really makes me happy, especially when I see you guys' comments and DMs to me. I really appreciate it, and I'm saying and a lot. I'm working on that. So subscribe so you get the notification, hit the bell, all of that so you know exactly when I post, and I will see you in the next video.